Hello guys, good morning. So, nindot kayong panahon guys. Then I found a beautiful flower and muna siya ang rose guys. Then today, it's our mansari. So, it's our 1 year and 5 months. So, may nakita akong flower dito guys and ito ay napakaganda talaga guys. So, kunin ko to at ibibigay ko sa kanya. So, tanggalin muna natin yung mga dahon-dahon guys para maganda naman siyang tingnan. Tapos pagkatapos ay ating puputulin guys. So, eto na siya guys. So, napakaganda niyang flower. So, ngayon ay hahanapin na natin si my love. Then guys, ngayon, this flower is very beautiful talaga siya guys. Bagay na bagay siya kay Nuri guys. So, ngayon, hahanapin natin kung saan yung my love ko. Wala.
Kinawat.
Ito is for you, my love. That is very beautiful like you. Happy Mansari to you, my love. I love you so much.
Ano yun?
She is very beautiful like the flower, guys. Oh, yes. Gikilig siya, guys. Gikilig siya, guys. Nara siya kiligon, guys. Nara siya kiligon, guys.
Itugan kang mama.